My name's Stephanie and I'm here today to discuss a range of collaborative tools with you. Collaborative tools are used to allow communication between people in different locations. The following tools were trialled in a recent project by Australian WhatsApp Information Service: Google Groups, Skype and Dropbox. First, I'm going to discuss Google Groups. Google Groups is a discussion board that can be made public or private depending on what it is being used for. When AWAS tested it, the board was set to private. Google Groups can be moderated if necessary, but for small groups, this is not generally necessary. When a member posts on a discussion board, an email containing the information is sent to all members. Members can reply to the posts or create new ones using email as well. For testing, we use the discussion board to discuss the project with one another. As Google Groups allows you to create different threads or conversations, information could be kept categorized, which is useful when discussing lots of different ideas or if some posts aren't relevant to all members. The advantages of Google Groups is that it is a collaborative space so members can discuss projects and ideas. It also allows for concise record of all conversations and discussions to be kept. This record means that decisions are documented. As Google Group allows members to subscribe, emails are sent directly to them so they do not miss important information. While having many advantages, Google Groups also has disadvantages. Google Groups has an unattractive user interface which doesn't match other Google products. It can also be clunky to set up. Because it is a discussion board rather than instant messaging, it can take time for members to respond, which means it is not good for time-sensitive decisions. It also takes a lot of time to have a conversation as posts need to be responded to by all members. While not a major problem, each user also needs a Google account. Another collaborative tool we used was Skype. Skype is a program which allows voice and video calls and instant messaging. It can be used for one-on-one conversations as well as group chats. Calls are free when contacting other Skype users using the Skype interface. We also use Skype as discussions regarding more complex ideas are easier face-to-face. Also, difficult conversations require more tact, and being able to read body language is easier when using video and voice. We're also able to use instant messaging to discuss time-sensitive ideas quickly and concisely, which we're unable to do with Google Groups. The advantages of Skype are that it is free to use with other Skype users. You can also contact actual phones, however there is a cost, but this is often much cheaper than actual phone plans. You are also able to hold meetings and discussions with people in geographically diverse locations. Whether they are in different countries, different states, or just people working from home. It also has instant messaging functions which allow for quick, instant communication. The main disadvantages of Skype is that a good internet connection is required with high speeds. In areas with limited data reception, video and voice don't work as well as they should, making conversation difficult. Records are also not reliable when using video or voice, as there is no written record of what is discussed, unlike on discussion boards. The final collaborative tool we used was Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud-based storage provider. Documents and files can be accessed by the web or on your computer using installed software. Dropbox can be set up to have private folders as well as shared folders. Folders which are shared means anyone can access them and make changes to documents. Dropbox allows for documents to be stored, then accessed from anywhere. We use Dropbox to upload research and writing we'd done, as well as for the final report document, so we could all access what the other members had completed. The documents can be reviewed and edited by other team members. The advantages of Dropbox include being able to collaboratively create documents and review them as a team. It also means documents can be created and accessed from anywhere using a PC or mobile device. It also allows for some security against loss of documents if a single device fails. However, there are disadvantages. Free accounts have a limited amount of storage, and large accounts can be quite expensive if each member needs their own account. There is also an issue with security. If servers at Dropbox fail, then there may be no access to files. It would be important that documents that are stored on Dropbox are backed up regularly. Also, while it is a minor issue, there is the possibility of breaches in security that would not happen on an unnetworked PC, as it could be hacked into, or people could save or give out the password for documents. In conclusion, my recommendations are as follows. Google Groups creates a good place to host free discussion boards for team working discussions. Skype allows multiple forms of communication for people in geographically diverse areas cheaply or free. However, Dropbox allows the storage of documents that can be shared for group projects. Pricing may be problematic. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helps making decisions on the collaborative tools that AWIS will use in the future.